specifications for Q Mariella. I am going to be modeling for you the P1B30, but let's flip her inside out and talk about the makeup of this particular wig cap. Well, I can easily see that there are no combs in this wig, but you do have the adjustable band in the back. This particular wig can stand up to 300 to 400 degrees worth of heat Fahrenheit. So you can custom fit this particular wig. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna come back wearing Q Mariella for you in the P1B30. So we'll be back in a jiffy. Thank you for joining Everything Beauty's YouTube channel today by clicking on the video. So I am going to be reviewing for you today a wig from It's a Wig line, and the name of this particular wig is Q Mariella. So stay tuned and find out more information about this beauty. Hello and welcome back. I am wearing for you a wig from It's a Wig line. It is the Q Mariella, and here she is. Here's the stock card. And I am wearing the P1B30, and she is one of those wigs that come with a bang. Very playful, very youthful. I took a regular comb, I bumped the bangs up just so they wouldn't lie so flat on my forehead. Let me go ahead and give you a 360 view so that you can see this particular wig. I do want to let you all know that I'm assuming after a while this particular wig will get larger. Okay, so as you comb in it, the waves will get larger. So if you don't mind that, then that will be great. Also with this wig, as I mentioned during the justification part of this particular video, that there are no combs. It's simply the adjustable band. It is big head friendly, and for those persons who have smaller heads, because of that adjustable band, you are able to customize a perfect fit for you. If you look at some of my other videos, this particular wig is similar to some of the ones that I've worn in the past. Do I like it? I do. Do I love it? I don't know. But again, it's very playful and it gives me a different look. So would I wear it? Yes, I probably would. Just because it offers the versatility. And also, again, it's an instant style. And you know how I feel about those instant styles with my wigs. So if you are interested in this particular wig, the Q Mariella, then check the description box listed below for the different colors and also for the price point. I would like to thank you again for joining me. Leave me a comment and let me know if you like this particular wig, yes or no. It does come in different colors. So you don't have to just, look beyond the P1B30 and envision you wearing one of the other sexy colors that it comes in. Until next time, I would like for you to take care of yourself and each other. And also, if you don't mind subscribing to the channel, go ahead and do that. We'll be back next week with another video. And if you like the content, before leaving, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me. That lets me know if you are enjoying the content. So until next time, take care. See you next week.